Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how to create a decal and upload it for your use in Roblox. So to start things off, we're gonna begin here in the main page of Roblox. Simply navigate to the top and choose the Create button. After choosing the Create button, you'll be taken to a different site. If you're redirected to another site, simply copy the link found in this video and paste it yourself. This will take you to the creation dashboard without any other steps. Now, once you're on the dashboard, look on the right-hand side and choose the Development tab. Once in the Development item, find the Decal section and choose it. And then after that, choose the Upload Asset option. And then choose Upload once more. Now simply find an image that you wish to use as your decal on Roblox. For example, I want to use this one. So simply double click to select it for upload. Feel free to also provide a name for your decal, but that isn't exactly necessary to creating a decal either way. Once you're done, just click on the upload button, give it some time, and then after a while, your decal is now uploaded to the Roblox servers. So let's verify everything worked out by heading to my Roblox account and show you that it's now there in my inventory. So go to your Roblox account, and on the left-hand side, choose Inventory. Scroll down until you find the decal section, and then select your newly uploaded decal. As you can see, it's right there in our inventory for use. And that's really all there is to creating your own decal for use in Roblox. If you have any other questions, leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.